am Roy. I am one of the initiators of WIJLAND. The WIJLAND concept is very good for this country because we have a polarized society now, and we from the diaspora are very useful to connect people because we are accustomed to it. That's why. In Suriname, I only know differences, and we are utilize that in a nice way. That's why I'm glad to talk with Diseye at this moment. I'm a founder of the CrossBorderRelations Foundation 6 years ago, and the aim of the CrossBorderRelations Foundation is to support mental and financial sustainability among people who are excluded from capital, relations and markets. And that's why we are making connections between a lot of people. That is my main goal, and I'm working with a lot of students in several knowledge institutes in Holland and in several diaspora-related countries. So I would like to introduce Diseye to you, and he will tell you what he is doing right now. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, my name is Diseye, and I am based in Abuja, the capital of Nigeria, and I have a small company, and the day-to-day of that company is providing internet access to some businesses and some residences. But my passion and interest and some projects I have is to try to provide internet in rural areas with all the challenges of lack of electricity, lack of knowledge, security issues, etc. And I have actually been involved with a few projects where we created a computer center in a rural area, and we have some stories about what worked, what did not work, and yeah, the challenge of converting technology to value for the person. Is it really educating them? Is it really making their lives better? Or is it just an internet cafe to which things are done either the wrong way or not understood, etc.? So this is my current interest, and I thought I would, on my visit to my mother-in-law, I thought I would stop by picnic.
He's visiting his mother-in-law and he stopped at picnic. So there is a match because we haven't started already in Africa, and I think we have to continue this conversation by mail or by phone to start with a cross-border prosperity program in Nigeria. Yes.
So, but you just had a conversation. Where was it about? What were you talking about?
Well, he is doing something with internet, and our goal is to use internet in every program where we are. And we haven't started in Africa yet. We started in South America, Curacao, Suriname, Morocco. Morocco is Africa, it's North Africa, and Turkey. And it would be nice to have some partners in Nigeria to start with the experiment, you know, according to the concept we like to share with all people, you know, and that's why I like to talk with him and to continue our conversation, of course.
And have you been talking about like a concrete...
Well, I will mail him our information about what we are doing now according to our web-based organization, and he will tell me what opportunities are in Nigeria, in Abuja.
Yeah.
You know, we have to match, because we don't know what concrete will be the next step. You know, we have to share our information. Yes.
And one obvious one is the knowledge about renewable energy, knowledge about what is possible in terms of design of either buildings or places to which some of these centers can be. And to the extent that some people outside of Nigeria are able to give advice or be involved in either pilot projects or real projects. I think there's always that trying to match those that know with those that want to know. Yeah, I think these are
there
great
are opportunities because we are working also with local institutes, local students, and they have to twin with our students. And that's why we have some cross-fertilization at that level. They learn not about only our culture, but also technology sharing. So there is a sustainable way of let's say, twinning, so we can continue also after phase in that project. And that is our power also. We don't do something just like like that. It must be continuous, you know, to the success, the sustainable day. This is the fruitful conversation I had with my friend Diseye.
You say that very well.